Okay, this video is for the part 2 of the lab session 3. This is the lab session number 3 for the CMC 222, and we're gonna describe everything about the part 2 second section. Okay, in this section we are going to design a circuit of function for the 7th segment. As you know, in 7th segment you have 4 input and 7 output. It means that, for example, when you wanna reach to the this is the 7th segment. This is the 7th segment. When you wanna reach, for example, to the 1, to the 2, the number 2, or the number 8. For example, for number 8, all of them should be 1. It means that you need this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. Okay. Or for example, for the if you are going to watch number 5, you need this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. Or for when you need number 4, you need this one, F, G, B, and C. Or for example, if you are going to watch number 3, you need this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. Okay, so based on your input, you should design a circuit in somehow that some kind of this line will be 0, or some of this line will be 1. In somehow that the output will be the number that you like to show with this 7th segment. Okay, this is the truth table. For example, here, if your input is 0, 0, 0, and 1, it stands for number 1. Okay, so these two, B and C, should be 1. If B and C here and here is 1, it means that other one, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 6, all of them will be 0. It means that you have just this line and this line, so you can watch number 1 in your screen. Or for example, here for number 2, if x3, x2, and x0 in this line, x3, x2, and x0 is 0, and x1 is 1, it means that it stands for number 2. Okay, so here A, B, D, E, and G should be 1, so it stands for number 2. Okay, in this shape, this is number 2, A, B, G, E, and D. A, B, G, D, and E. If they are 1, it means that the number 2 will show in your screen. Okay, so this is the explanation of the 7th segment. So if you are going to make a 7th segment with 4 input and 7 output, at first you should design truth table. Okay, this is the truth table. Now let me explain something more about the 7th segment. Let me reach to that page. Okay, this is the truth table of the 7th segment that I gave you in the lab sheet. Okay, but as you know, if you wanna transfer this truth table to the circuit, it will be a very difficult and crowded circuit. Why? Because you need many gates, because you have at least 4 input and 7 output. That's why your circuit will be crowded. That's why you should summarize this truth table. How we summarize this truth table? A kernel map is the answer. How many output we have